Oh, hi guys. Winston's very mad at me right now because he's down here at Hi, first off, we're at Grandpa's house. He's got a nice house. That's all you're seeing because privacy, but you know. He's angry at me because I didn't want to come down here alone. And yet, he's here. I said 3 minutes, so that's all I got. So I'm gonna take pictures of flowers and stuff. Like that one over there. You see that little red dot? Yeah, that's a flower. What? I know. I really hope you can hear that. We in the country, y'all.
This ain't the country.
Shut up.
That is a $1,000 camera.
You know, neck straps are good.
Exacto.
Here's another flower. Ugh. It's pretty, right? You better enjoy it. Just going down the curb with $1,000. So I'm just videoing this. I'll quickly then come and take pictures. Half of my time is up. I feel like I'm on the Food Network, except for photos. Did it hit you hard?
Yup.
Yup.
Oh, there, yeah.
Oh my God, there is a car. Is that car coming here? Thank God it's not. I probably should have come in tennis shoes and not my church shoes, but you know what? Living life dangerously.
Wait, you've gotten like 3 shots of the same kind of flower.
But in different places. Okay, I'm gonna take pictures now, for real. Okay, bye. Everything is so beautiful here. How you doing drinking that Coquito?
I'm done.
I took a sip of it. It burned my throat, you know?
Cause it's made with that good.
Cause I'm an alcohol virgin.
You're not. You've tried various kinds.
Yeah, that church wine.
Ooh. But it does have alcohol.
I know. So we're gonna go eat now. Bye. Make America great again.
Come on.
This was sponsored by Make America Great Again. Trump.
Ta 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 ta. Queremos sexo y no fuego. Desde que los monos descubrieron el fuego, no necesitábamos cama. Adán y Eva nacieron encima de una rama.
Adiós. Yo no me acuerdo de esa lírica.
That's the line.
Damn. Guys, look at all this pretty scenery. Wait, can I? Nah, cigüeña. Pink pajamas. Oh, you can't see yourself. Pink pajamas, penguins on the bottom. Pink pajamas, penguins on the bottom. Pink pajamas, penguins on the bottom. Pink pajamas, penguins. It's the circle of life. And now we get into darkness. But this is the pretty bit.
Through despair and hope, through faith and love, till we find our place on the path unwinding. It's the circle of life. There, I did
a thing.
We did the opening scene to Lion King.
Okay, I'll do it this way because then I'm not lit. I'm lit this way. I'm not lit either way. But I want the pretty background.
Hello.
Hey guys, this is a totally natural filming position. No, in all seriousness, like I said before, we're at Grandpa's house. We don't really come to visit him, which is kind of sad, but he lives kind of far. Not really though. It's not an excuse, cause well, Anyways, sorry I didn't post on Friday. I was sister stressed with sister schoolwork. I had 2 projects. One was due Thursday and the other one was due Friday. And then when Friday came, I was like, oh God, I can't do this. So that's why I didn't post. So we're done at Grandpa's house. We're gonna go back now. This was just a really quick video. Winston's here. Hi. Hey. So yeah, thank you guys so very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turns out this isn't the end, because Dad gave me consent to film my bed putting together. There will be a story time on my triggering of a bed later. That might be Friday's video. Or Wednesday's video. I don't know. I don't know what I have for those. So be ready, sisters! Okay guys, so now we're back home and I'm gonna show you the pretty ugly before. This is before. It's not even in focus. Before. And I'll be right back when we start, you know, doing bed stuff. Hey sister squad, we're here removing my bed. We is a lot of people because apparently I am not needed for this. Now I have this this gigantor space where I seem to be stuck at now. Isn't that swell? But in all seriousness, guys, it's happening. The day I've been looking forward for 9 months. The day I get to say yeet to this bed and yoink to my old one. Oh, how have I missed it? Oh, I've missed it dearly. Oh, or not, you're not in frame anymore. Abby, you're not 16 anymore. You gotta do adult shit. But no, when I asked to be treated like a grown-up, I didn't mean to be turned into one. I wanna go back. Oh, my red Mustang isn't worth it anymore.
That's 16
When
wishes.
Abby Jensen turns 16, I'll have my own car. I'll have the cutest clothes in school. I'll be popular. But it all changed when she made one wish to be treated like a grown-up. I want to be treated like a grown-up. Abby, you can't go to high school anymore. No, this isn't what I wanted. Debbie Ryan starts at 16 Wishes on Disney Channel Friday night at 8. No, Friday night at 8 on Disney Channel. Hey guys, it's Debbie Ryan, and you're about to watch my movie, 16 Wishes.
Help me. Please. Please help.
Radio Rebel. What? Is it bad that I remember that? Hi, I'm Bella Thorne.
It's not working.
Hi, I'm Bella Thorne, and this is the story time I found out I had dyslexia.
One of your pencils on the rail over there.
And this is the story of the time I found out I had dyslexia.
Could you not?
It all I remember when I started first grade. Right away, it was awful because I couldn't really read as well as the other kids.
Please.
My brain mixed up letters like D and B and M and W. My family helped me by making me read everything from road signs to cereal boxes.
Please help.
Now I read a year above my grade level. Que se yo que rayo, you shouldn't let dyslexia conjure your esto. I'm Bella Thorne, and this was the time TTI. You just watched the TTI on Disney Channel. Hi, I'm Brenda Song. You know what this beautiful fruit is? Bananas. You're watching Disney Channel's Pass the Plate. Now we're gonna go over to Australia. Hi, I'm Australian. I'm not really a Disney Channel star, but I'm just here to tell you about bananas. Bananas are great and a phallic object, so like, let's eat them with our mouths. Oh. Now we're in South Africa, kaka. We're eating bananas with spicy food because we're exotic over here, sis. No, crap, it's the early 2010s. Sis wasn't a term yet. I don't have a term that I can use swaggy in. Dude. Thank you for watching Disney Channel. The bed's not here no more. You want to know where it is? It's there.
Oil mud.
I'm Bella Thorne, and this is the third time I found out I had dyslexia.
Really happy you doing us with you because you're the one who fucking broke my bed in the first place.
What?
Karen, no la abrazo because he was the one who broke my bed in the first place.
Now you get to sit up.
No, you don't get to smile at my camera. No! I'm legit crying.
I know, I wanna comfort you.
No, I don't want it because I don't got it.
¿Ya te la pusieron?
Sí, no, no.
¿Qué pasa, Wilfito?
Que me quiero abrazar, yo no quiero que me abracen. I'm Ariana Grande, bitch. Money can solve my problems.
See what I have to deal with.
No, look, I am emotionally distraught and I don't want. Mira, guys, this is the moment that I have been looking forward to for the past 9 months. Bed story time coming on Wednesday. Now I read a year above my grade level. Now I got my wall back. So now I can get shelving and so I'm gonna make my bed. Making my bed for the first time in 9 months. You may be wondering, Wade, what are you gonna put on your bed? It's been 9 months, like, this is a time to celebrate. Well, I'll show you. I just ripped the handle off. Isn't that a great sign? I'm gonna be Superman. I realized that I don't have a headboard, and that is partially because my headboard is now currently ASMR material. And so my next journey is going to be to either purchase a headboard myself or for my parents to purchase me one. Regardless of if I have a headboard or not, I'm still very excited for my bed. So right now, I'd like to thank you all so very much for watching my journey. In honor of sis being back, I'm gonna record my outro on the wall. So thank you guys so very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a video. Tell me in the comments down below what is the biggest journey that you have ever embarked on. Because this was it, sis. No, it wasn't. It was to purchase you, but you know, this is a very, very big close second. I'd like to thank my body for staying strong during these tough times. And I want to thank myself for being a strong, independent little boy and having dreams to have a bigger bed again. So again, thank you so very much for watching. And I will see you on Wednesday. Bye!